best foods to eat to balance and nourish your root chakra, you guessed it, are root vegetables. So we have sliced sweet potatoes, sliced beets, another good root vegetable, and this is also red. According to yoga philosophy, any red foods are good for nourishing, balancing, and activating your root chakra. So the first step you want to do is just get some organic kale, maybe from your local farmer's market. This is Trader Joe's organic Tuscan kale. You want to slice up some sweet potatoes, slice up some beets, and prepare lentils and kidney beans. Beans are also really good for balancing and nourishing the root chakra. I also have avocado here. Avocado isn't a root vegetable, but avocado is a superfood, and it's got a lot of omegas, essential fatty acids, protein, enzymes, a complete superfood here. So I like to add avocado in everything. So we'll add some of our sliced avocado, some of our sliced sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are good for balancing blood sugar. They're a complex carbohydrate. They're also a really good source of fiber. Our root vegetable, beets. Beets are really good for alkalizing the body. So it helps to counteract all the acidity we can put in our body, like coffee, alcohol, things like that. They're also good for detoxification. And next we're going to add some lentils. And like I said, any beans are known to be good for balancing and nourishing the root chakra. So we'll add some nice beans here. Lentils are a great source of protein. And kidney beans. If you didn't know, kidney beans are actually good for your kidneys. They got lots of protein, lots of fiber. So sometimes I like to use beet juice as the dressing itself. But today, I've made this very special dressing with a lot of roots. Turmeric root, ginger root. This dressing here is a mixture of nut butter, lemon juice, ginger puree, cane sugar, garlic, sea salt, ground turmeric root, ground ginger root, and black pepper. Then we have here a little seasoning. So this is a blend of sesame seeds, sea salt, minced garlic. Garlic is another root, minced onion, black pepper, and poppy seeds. And last but not least, raspberries. Raspberries are a wonderful antioxidant. They have a good source of fiber, lots of nutrients. So just a little bit of sweetness here. And it's a natural sweetness. And there you have it. Your easy breezy, healthy root chakra salad. A completely balanced, healthy meal to nourish not only your root chakra, but nourish your whole body. It's very good.